Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm setting out to do a video for you, the arrangement that I spoke to you guys about that I wanted to do. But before that, I wanted to show you my beautiful rug. So this rug is a 3x5 and it is from Five Below. So only $5 and it's super cute and it's cotton, so I can throw it in the washer if it gets, dingy or whatever. But yeah, I really like it. It's so charming in here. And I'm gonna get started to the potting. I started with the cactus in the middle. I have my little scoop back there in order for it not to fall over. These cactuses, they're very hard to clean up if you get soil on them. So I'm just trying hard not to do that. Yeah, I was undecided if I wanted to use the little one, but I think I'm going to. In the process of taking out the cactus, the little one just went ahead and came off. I mean, it wasn't attached, but what I mean is, it wasn't all stuck together in the roots with the other one. Okay, this is very helpful, especially with these little bad boys. You do not want to touch that. So I am going to use the succulents that I got from that unboxing, and maybe other ones as well. We'll see how much I can fill this up with what I have. So I want it to look very full. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna need something else to scoop soil with because I'm using my scoop to support that. Yes. Okay, let's see. I may need to replace the scoop because I really need the scoop. So maybe I'll just put that jar right there for now, just to support it. And then when I'm ready, I'll take it out. So I can actually add a bunch of soil around here because these don't have a lot of soils on there, stuck on them. Okay, let's see. So I like this one here. Right there. Okay. I gotta think about the colors that I'm putting on here so that they contrast nicely. This is the one that I said that looks like the Lola. Then I have I also have the ones that I got from Walmart, but I don't know, I might want to use that in another arrangement. I haven't fully decided. I have a Debbie. Here she is, so pretty. This is Reptoveria Debbie, right? Yeah, I forget. Sometimes I call her Echeveria, and then I'll get corrected. This one does have a pretty big roots. That looks cute right there. I would like it to be really close to each other, like that. pushing it down. Okay. So I think the next one is going to be this beautiful one that looks like a beautiful rosette. I can't wait for this to produce more. It's so pretty. It has very little roots. That one is so much taller. There we go. There we go. So there's that. Then this one, I wish I had a different color, but I don't have another one that will, you know, stay nice. I mean, I don't know how this one grows either. This one, I don't know how she grows, but I know that I'm gonna be still short. I need something for over here, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Yeah, don't know what I'm gonna do there. That just fit right in. Right in. Oh, I do have something I can use, yeah. Let me see. I still need more. I think I need 2 more that I can fit over here. I'm gonna turn this like that. Yeah. Okay, so what am I gonna put in there? I want to use, guys, I took this one from an arrangement that needs to be redone. So yeah, I'm not going to be putting this outside. It's going to stay in the greenhouse for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and place that in there like that, and it's going to be just fine. That's a super pretty Echeveria subscilis. I think that's a subscilis. I don't know now because the way it curved. I'm not sure if that's subscilis. And then this one is, I think, Echeveria fairy. Star fairy, I think they call it. Star fairy? Something like that. We can just move it around a little bit and it'll look a little bit fuller. And that's it. I'm gonna clean my area, clean this up, probably place some rocks in it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the arrangement all done. I could put a little rock in there. I need to put one in there. But there it is. It looks so pretty. I haven't been using rocks in a while. It's not for any particular reason. I do prefer turfus just because you could just go ahead and mix the turfus into the soil and use it, you know, and reuse it. Rocks, when you're going to take apart an arrangement, you need to remove all the rocks. So that's why, but that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.